how to put a Dell PC or laptop in safe mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Dell laptop in safe mode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we simply need to go down to the taskbar, select the Windows Start button, and then in the menu here, we want to select the power button. We just need to reboot our Dell computer. Now, before we do that, make sure that you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then go to restart. Keep in mind, you can do this from the lock screen if you need to, but once you have the Shift key held down on your keyboard, go ahead and select restart, and then keep holding the Shift key the entire time while it's rebooting your Dell computer. When it turns back on, keep holding it. Then once you see the blue screen that looks like this, you can let go of the Shift key, and we just need to go to troubleshoot. Once in troubleshoot, go to advanced options, and then we just need to go to startup settings. From here, you're going to see all the options, and as you can see, enable safe mode is one of the options. So go ahead and select restart. It'll reboot your computer, and then once you see startup settings, as you can see, number 4 is enable safe mode. Now they do have 2 other types of safe modes. You can select those if you want to, but all we need to do right now to get into safe mode is select the 4 number on our keyboard. It's going to reboot our computer. And the way you know you're in safe mode is in the corners of the screen, it'll say safe mode. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.